Hey y'all, and welcome to my messy laundry room, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Rachel's Southern Life. I'm so excited that you're here today. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm a little bit hoarse, but just bear with me and we'll get through all this. So as you can see, my laundry room is quite the mess, and I have not cleaned it really good in a little bit, so it's time to do that and refresh it. And I also have quite a bit of laundry, so I thought, well, I'll just do a laundry motivation video, because I can tell you I'm not very motivated to do my laundry at all, because I don't like laundry. Y'all know this. But I thought that it would be fun to just pick up the camera and give me some incentive to do the laundry. I mean, I'm going to do it, but you know what I mean. So, thank you so much for stopping by, and hope you enjoy this. So the soap I'm using today is Narcissist from Buff City Soap. I looked it up and they are nationwide. I've seen several locations all over the place. So if you get a chance to go to Buff City Soap and try out their laundry detergent, do so. It smells divine. Oh my goodness. Like I said, that is the scent Narcissist. The other scent that I really like for them is Sunshine. So if you get a chance, go try it out. Also, they have amazing bath soaps and stuff. This isn't sponsored. I'm just telling you about it because I love this product. Me and my friend was in there, and they had soap, the laundry soap, buy one get one half off. So she bought me one as a gift. I was so excited. So I did laundry, several loads, and I mean, you can barely tell I even used out of the container. So it is definitely worth the money. If you have not went and grabbed that laundry basket and started folding the laundry that I know that you have sitting in a laundry basket somewhere, get up and go get it. That's what I'm doing this for. No, I'm kidding. Seriously, go get your laundry basket and start folding some laundry with me. Do y'all have like a favorite thing that you like to wash? I like washing towels and folding towels. That's really just about it. I don't enjoy laundry at all. I love the way the laundry smells when it's done. I love clean sheets, all that stuff, but I really don't enjoy doing it. But is there like a certain thing that you enjoy washing? Do you enjoy hanging up, folding? What part of laundry do you enjoy? Let me know in the comments down below. So what I'm doing to keep myself entertained while I'm folding and hanging all the laundry is I'm watching old episodes of Dr. Phil on YouTube. Y'all, there's some crazy people out there. My goodness. I used to watch this a long, long time ago and then just haven't watched it in years, so I thought, well, that might be something fun to watch. My goodness. Lord. You know, you think that people just do like you do, go work or school or whatever you do and then come home and watch some Netflix and go to bed. Like, people crazy. They're just crazy. What do y'all like to do while you're folding laundry? Do y'all listen to podcasts, watch YouTube? Do you watch laundry motivation videos while you're folding laundry? What kind of things do y'all enjoy doing? I had not cleaned up my laundry room, I don't know, in a couple months. And as far as like giving it a good deep clean, so it really needed it. Everything was covered kind of in the laundry dust or lint dust, you know what I'm talking about. So it was nice to get it all wiped back down, and it needed a good vacuum and mopping, and I really was happy to get that part of it done. It just really kind of made my day. I was like, oh, it feels so good in here. It's so nice and clean. Thank y'all so much for coming over and hanging out with me today. I have really enjoyed y'all and hope that I gave you some much needed motivation to go find that laundry basket and start folding them clothes or hanging up your clothes, whichever one you need to do. I know it's not a fun task. I don't enjoy it, but it's something that needs to be done, and it makes our home feel so much better to have our laundry folded, hung up, and put away instead of in big piles all over the floor. So, hope that y'all enjoyed it. Make sure that if you like this video that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you'll get notifications. See y'all next time. Bye.